What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This your girl Lady V, come back with another video. And I have been gone so long, but we back to get into this content because we got to get into this content. So in this video we are doing a clip of my office. As you should know, if you follow me, I had to move back into my room as an office, but it's okay because things were changing at the storage room, like the hours and stuff, so it couldn't stop me from getting this content. So we are back, and this is my little area. All right, so we're gonna do a quick little room tour. So in this right here, y'all, I need to clean my carpet, but this right here, I got some puff balls and scrunchies. And then I have a bunch of little makeup bags. And then here's all my purses. If you follow me, you should know that I am the business that you purchase a purse and I fill it up with cosmetic items and stuff from my shop for free. So yes, you heard it. You order a bag and I step it for free. So it's like build a bag type thing. So you just purchase the bag and I fill up the items, and as we go through the office tour, you will see some of the items that I do add in the bags. So these are the bags that are currently due, the Color Me bundles, because that's what they're called, Color Me bundle bags. So these are the bags that I use to stuff the bags. So we're gonna get into this little organizer right here. Up here is just a bunch of tape and stuff and stickers that I use. And then here starts all of my beaded bracelets. So when you order a bag, you always will get bracelets. So basically I try to match the bag with bracelets. So this is all of my bracelet inventory. So we got some pretty colors. And then this is just like a mixed one. And then in here is when you order something, these is our freebies. And then in here is some boxes that I think I'm going to use for my press-ons. And then down here is just like a junk drawer. So there is this container right here. And then I got a couple little jewelry holders, and then all in here is really nothing but pens and stuff, all in these drawers. So we're going to come down here in this little organizer. I have a bunch of shipping items, like I custom boxes and bags and mailers and stuff like that, color paper. And then in these drawers I have my sticker paper, some fragile stickers, and copy paper. And then in here is all of my hair clips. So you do get hair clips with the bundle. And then in here starts my charm bracelets. I do add charm bracelets to the bundle, so a different color charm bracelets. What I actually call wrap bracelets. And then in here, my daughter got this. She had was putting the inventory back, and I know she did it. Hold on, y'all. And we back, you guys. So in here is all of my lash supplies. So my lash pens and the brushes and tweezers, and then all of the lashes that comes in the bundle. So you do get a pair of lashes. So that is in that drawer. And then down here is just some extra lashes and just junk. Then we're going to come under the desk. This is some papers. And then in here I have some charm bracelets that I do also add in the bundles. And then we have some evil eye necklaces and earrings that I may add in the bundle. So it's like a mystery bundle. So you really don't know what you get. You'll probably never get the same thing or the same colors. So that is that. And then next to that is just some extra shipping supplies that I keep right there. Then we're going to come to these drawers. And then down here is a bunch of lip products that I do add in the bundles. So we have some glitter lip gloss. We got some lip balms, lip balms, lip balms. So different lip balms and lip glosses and lip oils that I do add in the bundles. Then you also get a hand sanitizer, and they are very good. They smell very good. But we got some Bath and Body Works ones and some other brands. So, but they all Bath and Body Works, but you know, different flavors. And then in here we have all of our keychains that we do add, and we got some debit card grabbers, and then we got some evil eye keychains that I do add with the necklaces and stuff. I do add it with it. And then we got some more keychains, and then these right here goes in our freebie bags. So we just got those. And then this drawer right here is all of our different press-ons that we do add in each bundle that you get. So you order a bag, you will get a set of press-ons depending on the color that you get, and stuff like that. So we got different colors. And then up here is also press-ons. Super cute press-on nails. These are fire. But we got these different sets. And y'all, I can't wait till the new inventory comes in. And then right here, my camera dying. So we have some bracelet sets that's on the website. Super cute bracelet sets that is on the website, and I just keep those in there. And then we have some boxes, and then some of the little Ziploc bag type bags. So we have that in there, y'all. I'm just recording, and I hope y'all can see everything, but this girl got to get this content out. So let's get on top of the desk. Right here is lip glosses that we add in the bundles. We also have some more charm bracelets that we add. All of this is stuff for packaging. And then right here we have sunglasses. We got some sunglasses coming, you guys. It's gonna be I can't wait till the new bundles come. And then we have another little spin thing of lip glosses, and that's about it, you guys. That's just a little clip of the office. I will be doing some behind the scenes and stuff, dealing with the brand. So I really hope y'all enjoy the little clip video of the office. Until my next video, guys. Bye.